Hello folks, good morning. Good morning again to our beautiful Lanzarote, ladies and gentlemen. So time check, it's 7:30. And yeah, we're going to work. So before we start, I would like to thanks everyone who are watching and liking all the vlogs. Thank you very much, and to all the people, to all the loyal subscribers that been there since day one. Thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate it. And for the time being, we're just gonna do everyday biking while cruising around. We do our vlogging, and maybe we do a food review in this week. I have no idea when, but for sure we're gonna do one. So for now, let's enjoy this peaceful day morning. Hey, look at the clouds, guys. Winter is near. I'm really excited when the winters came, because whole year we have a sunshine. For me, it's just like, wow, I feel I am in Europe, because in the Philippines, where I came from, the same weather is here. The only difference is we have some monsoon rain for 6 months, and here we have winter, so to speak. Yeah, that's why I really love when winter is coming, and I would like to see some snow maybe one day. Look how peaceful it is in the morning. Yeah, nice cool breeze, very quiet. When people are starting to waking up. Today is Monday. This is officially the first day of my baby in school, because last week she had 2 days, but only for 1 hour each, But today, Monday, is officially school. She's gonna have 5 hours there. Let's see. Look at this beach. Nice. You see how lovely it is. Puerto Ventura. Just right there. I hope you see it. A bit cloudy. Wow. Fresh. But don't get me wrong, guys. In the midday, like for example, starting about 11 a.m. Ciao, kuya. 11 a.m. and you start to warming up. You know what I mean? 11 a.m. guys. By the way, just want to share to you guys, someone just offered me a job in a restaurant, and it's a good salary and good condition, but I don't know. Just try to think about it. Good money, not much, but good money. It's about 30% more of what I earn in the hotel, plus tips. So kind of think about it now, if I'm gonna change it, or that's why I always ask, sign for God, if I really deserve to change the job. That's why when I get to hotel. I asked for a sign, and one day it's just I wake up and decided change, the work. So anyway, Bombay masala right here is repairing. Well, yeah, and it's nearly finished, guys. So maybe a few weeks time we're gonna open. And to be honest with you guys, I want to work in a typical Irish bar or English bar, a different one. Adios, Brainy. Ciao. Tay, buenos días. Adios. Tanghali na. You see how we talk in Filipino community? It's very weird, yeah? Yeah. When I first got here, I'm really amazed, people are white and they're blonde. It's like I didn't see it every day back home. And starting to notice that the locals, people who live here, is not white as the snow. Don't try this at home, guys. Wow, you see the smell of a fresh baked bread, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, very tasty. Yeah, locals. I thought they're white, but no, the dark as me. It's more darker than me. And to be honest with you, I'm not a typical Asian guy that 5'4" or something. I'm 5'11", so everybody's shocked. Cardiac hill right there, guys. And they shocked, like I said. They see me, are you a Filipino? Yes, I am. And they're looking at me like I'm the tallest guy in the world. Yeah. And some subscribers as well. When they meet me, they think I'm a regular dude. Say one couple, I can't remember their names. They just saw me and said, "Hey Vince, how are you?" "I'm good, yeah." And the guy said, "I thought you're just like a..." I'm surprised. "I thought you're just like a regular guy. You're taller than I expected." Yeah, it's funny things, And yep, all the stories that we've been talking about right now, and we reached now Costa Vulcan. I hope I'm not late, because I can't see my watch because I'm holding the camera. And it's Monday. It's gonna be a busy street right now. I don't know, when it comes to Monday, everybody hates it. Yeah, when I was young, yes. But now I love Monday, because it's like starting the day now, starting the week. If you have a good Monday, The rest of the week is fine. You know what I mean? Remember the diving school right here? They just gone. I don't know where they changed location or something. No idea. Hatton Garden, guys. They say they have a very good breakfast. No idea. Look at that singer. That's my friend, Liu. Nice singer. Ukulele. Very nice. So we are here now, the old town, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna try my best not to hit by a car because I do have a camera on my hand. Oh, let's see. Let's just cross this one. Look at that. If I cross that one and hit me, boom. God, finished. I'm done. Anyway, let's walk through out here. It's much safer. Look at the intersection around here. Busy. Not like yesterday. Oh, have a look my lottery. If we win, I hope, you know, everybody wishing to win a lottery. Not only me, everybody, even rich people. So yeah, welcome to Old Town, ladies and gentlemen. Busy intersection. Not too bad. Not too bad right here at Old Town. I'm sweating now, guys. It's very chillax. Chill day, chill morning, but yeah, like I said, I'm with Wendy and I'm sweating now. So we are here now at the bottom of the another cardiac hill up there. You see, that's very steep. You're a new driver like me, maybe have a problem with that and you're stuck in the middle. So that's the Old Town, guys, right there, Baradero. And this is all the way up to my work. My work is just right there in the corner. So guys, thank you very much for coming with me. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you do, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and watch out to all the new videos coming in. Please do enjoy, share it, and yeah, share it to everyone. So guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you in the next vlog. Peace.